Sairam children. Children, let us move on to our next topic from our chapter number 8, measurement, which is addition and subtraction. So we are going to see sums related to length, weight or capacity, where we are going to do addition and subtraction. But first, let us see all the formulas. Children, in length, we have seen 3 units, right? Centimeter, meter and kilometer. These are the units for length. Then 1000 centimeter is equal to 1 meter, where 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer, correct? Then we have weight. In weight, we have seen grams and kilograms. 1000 grams is equal to 1 kilogram or 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams, right? Then next is capacity. Capacity is measured, or the unit for capacity is in milliliters and liters, right? 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. Okay. Children, liter, kilogram and kilometer, these are the bigger units. Okay. Whereas meter, centimeter, grams, milliliter are smaller units than kilo. Children, now let us solve sums of addition from length. The first question is add 25 meter and 32 centimeter and 16 meter 8 centimeter. Okay. Now children, 25 meter and 32 centimeter are together. Okay. They are one. And 16 meter and 8 centimeter are together. We have to add both of them. Okay. Now the first step is to draw the line. Draw a line in between. On your left hand side you will write meter. On your right hand side you will write centimeter. Now we are going to place the numbers. Now the first number is 25 meter and 32 centimeter. Second number is plus 16 meter and 8 centimeter. Children, 8 we will not write below 3. Okay, it will be written below 2 because it is 8 centimeter. Okay, it is 32, 32, correct? So 8 is in one's place. So you will write 8 here. And to fill in here down, we can put 0. So 8 will become 0, 8. Remember the place, in which place the numbers are there. Okay. Now we have to add. 8 plus 2 is 10. 1 carry over. 0 we will write down. 3 plus 1 is 4. Then we will go to the meter side. 5 plus 6 is 11. So again 1 carry over, 1 down. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. So our answer is 41 meter 40 centimeter. Children, addition we have to do normal addition. How we add, okay, how we carry over to the next number, okay, the same way. See here children, add the same thing from your textbook, 41 meter and 40 centimeter. How we got it. Children, the next one is subtract. Okay. See the question, subtract 117 meter 54 centimeter from 83 meter and 21 centimeter. So these numbers are together and these numbers are together. Okay. Now there is a very important word which is from, correct? From means the second number you have to write first, correct? Like subtract 8 from 10. So you will write 10 first, then you will do minus 8, correct? The same way. So first 183 meter and 21 centimeter will come. Then minus 117 and 54 centimeter will come. Okay. Now children, the subtraction is also normal, how we normally do. We will start from centimeters. Always start from centimeters side. Don't start from meter. Okay, we will start from centimeters side for addition also and for subtraction also. Okay, so children, let us start subtraction. We will start subtraction from here, from centimeter side. Now here we have 1 minus 4. Now we cannot do 1 minus 4. So what we will do? We will borrow from our friend. Correct? Beside us we have number 2. So we'll borrow from number 2. We'll take 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. And 1 will become 11. Correct? Now can we do 11 minus 4? Yes, we can do. Okay. So what is 11 minus 4? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we have 7 fingers, right? So we'll write 7. Then next number, 1 minus 5. Again it is not possible. Children, the same way subtraction that we do, we are going to do it. Okay. So this number 1 will go to number 3, right? To his friend and borrow 1. So 3 minus 1 is 2 and this 1 will become 11. Correct? Now 11 minus 5 is possible? Yes. So what is 11 minus 5? Count children. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 6. Right? Then 2 minus 7. Is it possible? No, it is not possible. So we have to borrow from 8. Correct? So 8 will give 1. It will become 7 and 2 will become 12. Right? So now 12 minus 7 is possible. What is 12 minus 7? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Correct? Count after 7. So we have 5 fingers. Now next is 7 minus 1. What is 7 minus 1 is? 6. And 1 minus 1 is 0. Correct? So children, our answer is 65 meter and 67 centimeters. See children, it is a sum from your textbook. We have got the same answer. Next, we will add kilometers and meters. Okay. So add 125 kilometer, 350 meter and 18 kilometer and 210 meter. Okay. So let us add. First is we are going to write the numbers. One addition is there. We can write the numbers directly. See children, kilometer and meter, they are together. Okay. Don't write 125 up and 350 down. Okay. Write it in kilometers and meters side properly. See how I am writing 125 kilometer and 350 meter. Okay. Then we will put addition sign. Then take the next number. 18 kilometer. Your 18 will come and 210. Okay. So now let us add. We will start from meter side. Okay. 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 1 is 6. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 8 children, come on count. 13. Then 1 carry. 3 down. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4 and 1. So children, this is how we are going to add. What is our answer? 143 kilometer and 560 meter. Got it? So children, yes, we have got the correct answer. Now let us see one subtraction sum. Okay, for kilometer and meter. Now children, this question is little bit twisted. what they have given, subtract 9 kilometer 150 meter. Okay, 9 kilometer and 150 meter from 15 kilometer. Now here you can see, okay, the next number 15 kilometer doesn't have a meter side. Okay, so when it doesn't have a meter side, we have to put that 0. Okay, now from is given, so 15 kilometer we will write first. So let us write 15 kilometer. Is there any meter with 15 kilometer? No. So we have to put something. What we will put? We are going to put 0, 0 and 0. Why 3 zeros? Because 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. In 1000 there are 3 zeros. So here 3 zeros will come. Always. Okay. Next, minus 9 kilometer 150 meter. Got it, children? Placing the numbers are very important. Now we have to subtract. As we can see, 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 5 is not possible. Again 0 minus 1 is not possible. So we have to borrow from number 5. Now 5 will give 1. So it will become 4 and 0 will become 10. Now this 0 will go to number 10, correct? So 10 will become 9 and this 0 will become 10. Now subtraction is possible. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 1 is 8, correct? 4 minus 9 is possible? No, correct? So what we will do is we are going to borrow from number 1. 1 will become 0 and 4 will become 14. Children, count what is 14 minus 9. Count after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So it is 5. And here we have 0. So what is our answer? 5 kilometer 850 meter. Children, now let us move on to the next measurement, which is weight. Let us see addition sums. Now here we have add 313 kg, 150 grams and 225 kg, 375 grams. We have to add, okay, the kg and grams together. So the same thing, first draw the lines, okay, write kg one side and gram on the other side. Then we have to place the numbers properly, okay, kg, the numbers with kg will come below kg and the numbers with gram will come below grams. Now we can add, okay, so 313 150 grams plus 225 kg and 375 grams. Okay, let us add. 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 7, children, come on, 12. So 1 will be carry over and we can write here 2 down. Then 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. Next we'll go to kg side. Okay. Now 3 plus 5 is 8. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. So our answer is 538 kg, 525 grams. Got it, children? See, children, we have got the correct answer. Now let us see one subtraction question. Here we have subtract 15 kg 65 grams from 36 kg 125 grams. Right? So the first step is to draw the lines, then write kg and grams, okay, and then we have to write the numbers. Children, remember it is subtraction sum and here from is given. When we see from, it means that the second numbers will be written first. So first we are going to write 36 kg 125 grams. Minus 15 kg 65 grams. Okay, children, don't write here because it is in hundreds place and 6 is in tens place. So write the numbers in the proper place. Okay. Now children, let us subtract. 5 minus 5 is 0. Then we have 2 minus 6. Is it possible? No. So we will borrow from number 1. 1 will become 0 and 2 will become 12. Now 12 minus 6 is 6. Then 0 minus, here nothing is there, that means it is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. Okay. 6 minus 5 is 1 and 3 minus 1 is 2. So our answer is 21 kg and 60 grams. See children, we have got the correct answer, and here in your textbook you can see here in grams side where we have 65, they have not given 0 but you mention it. Okay, like this, it will be easy then. Next, let us see capacity. In capacity, we are going to see first addition sums. Okay, now add 7 liters 275 milliliter and 582 liters and 130 milliliters. Correct? So we have to add this and this. Correct? Let us write. Addition, children, we can write the numbers directly. Number 7, okay, 7 liters is only one number. So it will come here at the end in the ones place. Then 275 milliliter. After that we have plus 582 liters. So 582 liters and 130 milliliters. Okay, let us add. 5 plus 0 is 5. 7 plus 3 is 10. So 1 will be carry over and we will write 0 down. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. Next we will go to liter side. 7 plus 2 is 9. Then here we don't have any numbers. So if you want, you can put there 0. And we know 0 plus 8 is 8. 0 plus 5 is 5. So our answer is 589 liters, 405 milliliters. Got it, children? See children, we have got the correct answer. Next, let us subtract 26 liters 350 milliliters from 274 liters 125 milliliters. Okay, draw the lines, children, and then write liters and milliliters. Now we are going to place the numbers. First, this numbers we are going to write. So 274 liters and 125 milliliters minus 26 liters and 350 milliliters. Then we have to subtract normally. We'll start from milliliter side. 5 minus 0 is 5. 2 minus 5 is not possible. So borrow from 1. 1 will become 0. 2 will become 12. 12 minus 5 is, children, it is 7. Okay. Then 0 minus 3, is it possible? No. So again borrow from the next number here, which is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3 and 0 will become 10. Children, now can we subtract? Yes. 10 minus 3 is 7. Now let us move to liter side. Here we have 3 minus 6, which is not possible. So again we have to borrow. We will borrow from number 7. 7 will give 1 and it will become 6 and 3 will become 13. Children, what is 13 minus 6? It is 7. Then 6 minus 2 is 4. And last we have 2 minus nothing. That means it is 0. 2 minus 0 is 2. So children, our final answer is 247 liters and 775 milliliters. Got it? See children? Children, for today, this much only. In our next class, we are going to solve our next exercise related to addition and subtraction. So, thank you all. Have a good day.